Hello friend, welcome back to MiniCooper garage. I need to perform a bunch of maintenance on this 2006 MiniCooper, and the first thing I need to do is safely raise it and place it on the jack stands. If you want to see how I deal with it, stay with me in this video. If this wasn't my MiniCooper, I will be first confirming that the jacking points or lifting points are all in the place, right? So you can see right here, this one is there, the rear one is there too, and I will do same on the other side. And why am I confirming that? Well, sometimes people drive these cars really rough. They will go rally with them, and what can happen? The jacking points are completely missing. Now, I will be performing services which require removal of all wheels, so that's the reason why I'm not putting it on the ramps. Also, I will be removing completely the front subframe. So my jack stands actually has to be right on these jacking points. And because of that, I cannot put my jack under those jacking points and raise the vehicle. I have to choose the different way. And what I do in this case, I use a nice piece of 2x4 right here. I place it approximately in this area towards the engine, because obviously engine is heavier than the whole back. And watching that rocker panel carefully, I will carefully find the right placement, and I will start lifting the Mini this way. Right? I keep looking not to damage anything. And you will see that will give me access to those jack points. So I keep going carefully up. Obviously that wood is there for the reason of protecting the bottom of the Mini. I don't want to make any holes in the body and introduce any rust and so on. And I really like to use the big jack stands. These are actually 6 ton, because they are way wider and way more stable. So I have to continue to raising it until I will also clear this one. And you can see it's right there, right? These ones are a little bit smaller, so I have to adjust them. And I keep the big ones obviously in front, because there is the engine and I will be working under that. Now I will very carefully start lowering the Mini on those points, observing everything, right? That I don't do any damage. So let's go. It's good. And it's nicely resting on those jack stands. And obviously I move to the other side, and now I have to perform the same thing right here. So again, observing that everything is correctly in the place. The wheels are already off the ground, but I'm going first check on the other side that everything is sitting perfectly. Those jack stands didn't move, right? Here the safety is extremely important. So, and I will continue with this side until again I can nicely place those jack stands underneath. I need to extend this one, right? This should be perfect. I Again, very closely observe everything. It's really important to take time, not to rush this. And gently lowering the Mini on those stands. So let's go and see in the detail how I place the front one, right? This is that 6-ton, but I changed placement of this. Going on the other side, that was my original idea, but I think I will change it the other way. You can see again, nicely resting on that 6-ton. And you can see really nicely how high the Mini is in the air, right? Obviously there's not much space for doing serious work, so I will continue gradually. I will go back to the other side. I will use the setup again, and I will lift it probably another 3 or 4 inches, whatever the clicks on the jack stand will allow me, and I will put it up. And I want to make clear, I'm not encouraging you to lift your own Mini this way. I'm just sharing my own way how I do that when I'm planning larger service on this vehicle. I triple check that all jack stands are under the load. The vehicle, the Mini, is really resting on them, and I know there are many skeptics who will say this is absolutely unstable, I will never get underneath it. So I want to show you something. Let's pop the hood open. We know all of us, right? It's on this side. And let's see how stable this car is right now, our beloved Mini. Alright? Once again, I do it for myself, not for anybody else. So let's see how unstable it is, right? Look at it! I'm pretty heavy and strong, dude. There's no way this will give or move forward. This is perfect for me. For you, if you do services like that, obviously always observe the safety. That's a number one, right? Without the safety procedures, we will be not able to enjoy our Mini Coopers in the future, right? That's so simple. I can wait to start working on this one, so I will excuse myself and go back to the work. You please make sure you are subscribed, because I have a lot of services on this one, and I will film them for you and post them on this channel. Thanks for watching today, and have a wonderful day.